Hey there, thanks for checking this out. I wanted to do a little video of my 2015 Triumph Daytona 675, which I have up for sale. This year actually came equipped with the factory zipper clutch and ABS brakes, a couple of nice upgrades. They only did the last few years of the bike. And beyond that, give you a little tour. This bike is really a must-see. I mean, it's spotless. Plenty of upgrades. But some of the basic things, in case you're not familiar with the Triumph, has full adjustable front forks, Nissan front brakes. Go to the back, you have adjustable rear suspension as well with Brembo rear brake. As far as maintenance, within the last 1,000 miles, it's had the rear tire replaced with a Diablo Super Corsa. Also had the oil changed, brand new oil and filter. In addition to that, it had the chain both adjusted, cleaned, and lubed. Some of the factory upgrades include Triumph engine covers, so those are equipped on both sides of the bike. Aftermarket upgrades went with a nice aftermarket fender eliminator on the bike. Actually decided to retain the factory turn signals, just look so clean. They also match the front ones quite nice. Beyond that, went with some Ride It 6-way adjust aluminum brake and clutch levers. They match the frame quite nicely. Other little bits include front tinted windscreen and also aftermarket Sylvania Hyper White lights as well. This bike has always been babied. That's why I say you must see it in person. I know people love to shoot over lowball offers, kind of typical in this day and age, but this is one that literally is straight out the wrapper, as they say. Needs nothing, super clean. When not being ridden, I always keep it with a full tank of gas with Stabl fuel stabilizer additive, as well as on the race stands, which you can see here, and I'll include those for local purchase. And then even have it hooked up to a battery tender. You'll see a little pigtail right there hanging down. Again, we'll also include a battery tender with it if local purchase. But yeah, this bike is spotless. I've actually owned 7 of these and I've loved them, every bit of them. That triple motor, it's got the rev of a 4-cylinder but the torque of a twin. I just don't know how else to describe it. I've owned GSXRs and Ninjas and CBRs and all the other Japanese bikes, all the other popular bikes. This one definitely stands out from the rest of the pack because, one, it has the design and look of a European bike, but it still has amazing reliability that is right on par with the Japanese bikes I've owned. So it's the best of both worlds. Again, phenomenal bike in really good condition. Obviously not perfect, you know, it's 5 years old, but one thing you won't see any chips on the nose. The tank is shiny and glossy, even up towards the back here, where you're normally rubbing up against during riding. So yeah, great turnkey bike. Thanks for looking.